Hi, Simon here from AMZ Guardian. Today we will be going over one of our modules for Amazon PPC. This module is part of a wider series on how to create and manage Amazon ads as part of our marketing agency's internal standard operating procedures. And you might be wondering why I'm giving away this information for free. And the reason why I'm giving away this information is because I hope that you use it and that you see that it works and grow your business to 7 figures or more. And in doing so, I hope to earn your trust enough so that you would consider working with us. We also give away this information because we typically only work with companies that make over $1 million in revenue per year, simply because these are the type of companies that I feel we can help the most. And I hope that by using this content, you grow your Amazon business to 7 figures. And once you are too busy to do your own PPC, you trust us enough to allow us to help you grow your business for you. So I hope you enjoy this content, and let's jump into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going through our step-by-step guide on discovering new keywords using merge words. As usual, we will be sharing what tools we use and how we use them to optimize our processes. Before we dive in, let's ensure you have the necessary tools ready. You'll need merge words for keyword reorganizing and Google Sheets for organizing your keyword data. Merge words is a free tool which we do not have any affiliation with. We use it because we find it useful. You can find the link in the description. Merge words uses a keyword matrix that rearranges the orders of your main keywords to create new variations. And you would be shocked how many of these highly relevant and important keywords are missing from your initial research with tools like Data Dive or Merchant Words. Now that you understand the basic context, let's get started with the procedures. Step 1, identify your seed keywords. These are single word keywords that are typically the most important and relevant words. They can be taken from previous research, extracted from your product's title, description, and bullet points. List down all your seed keywords. Step 2, search for synonyms of each seed keyword and list them in the next cell. Feel free to use an online thesaurus. Ensure that the synonyms are relevant to your product. Step 3, visit the Merge Words website and input all the synonyms per column. Click the Merge button to generate various word combinations. Step 4, get creative with word combinations and explore different possibilities. Here are some examples of merged keywords to inspire you. Step 5, once you've collected all the merged keywords, it's time to select the most relevant ones. Now that you have your list, you can use it as is or combine it with your master keyword list Google Sheet, where we will combine and deduplicate all data from all the different keyword research tools and lists to create a full and comprehensive list. As always, one tool never has all the keywords. And this video is a part of a keyword research series. And so make sure to watch the next video on how to combine all the data into a master Google Sheet and deduplicate against your existing keywords. And there you have it. By following these procedures, you can effectively expand your highly relevant keyword list and boost your product's discoverability on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more advanced strategies and techniques. See you next time.